Students, today we are going to discuss next point of subgroup. So, next point of subgroup is cyclic group. Okay, what is meant by cyclic group with respect to multiplication and addition? Okay, definition of cyclic group. Cyclic group. This is very important topic for this chapter. Cyclic group. Okay. So definition of cyclic group is let G be a group. Let G be a group. Let G be a group with respect to binary operation. With respect to binary operation star. Suppose that this star, then G is called. Then G is called. Then G is called cyclic group. Then G is called cyclic group if there exists A belongs to G. If there exists A belongs to G such that G equal to elements of the form A raised to n, where n belongs to set of integer Z. Okay. This is definition of cyclic group. Means this definition says that if suppose that G is cyclic group if there exists A belongs to G such that G equal to A raised to n belongs to Z. Okay. If G is a cyclic group, if G is a cyclic group, then G is cyclic group, then G is generated by, then if there exists A belongs to G such that G equal to value of in the form of A raised to n such that n belongs to Z, then G is called cyclic group. And if G is cyclic group, then G is generated by, then G is generated by A, and it is given by, and is given by G equal to, which is symbol of generated by A. This is symbol of generated by A. Okay, this is symbol of generated by A. So their set is A raised to n, where n belongs to set of integer Z. Okay, this is definition of what is generated by A. Generated by is here. This is symbol of generated by A, which is symbol of generated by A. Definition says that cyclic group of how to solve this is definition. Okay, G is cyclic group or not, how to proving this. Suppose that any example, suppose given example says that Gaussian integer set. Suppose G equal to 1 minus 1 I and minus I. Suppose this set is cyclic group or not. How to proving this? If here by using definition here, if there exists A belongs to G, means any element of in the form of any element is exist in G such that all elements of the G is elements of the form of A raised to n. Suppose that choosing here 1 belongs to G. If 1 belongs to G, then powering this 1 raised to 0 equal to 1. Okay, then 1 raised to 1 equal to 1. Again 1 raised to square equal to 1 square equal to 1. 1 cube equal to also 1. Here 1, if 1 has any powering of given n, means 1 raised to any element, 1 raised to n equal to value must be 1, means not value of in G. Okay, suppose 1 choosing 1, then powering of 1 0 1 2 3, value not a value is this value this value are not elements of G. Okay. Similarly, if choosing here suppose -1, then -1 raised to 0 equal to 1. Okay, one element is exist here. Okay. Similarly, -1 raised to 1, -1 raised to 1 equal to -1. Again, second value is also here given. Okay. Third value is suppose -1 square equal to 1. Again, means here only two values of here -1. If powering of -1, then only two values here exist, 1 and -1. So similarly, if choosing I belongs to G, okay, then I raised to 0 equal to 1, then I raised to 1 equal to I, then I square equal to -1. This value is must be in G. My I is value is must be in G. Similarly, -1 is value of must be in G, and here I cube equal to minus I. Okay, means this I satisfy these elements of G. I means there exist I belongs to G, means there exist I belongs to G such that G equal to elements of the form of I raised to n, where n belongs to set of integer Z. Means here A is exist, A equal to I, this element exist which is equal to their value, means powering of this I, then value must be in elements of G. Okay, means I raised to 0 equal to 1, I raised to 1 equal to I square equal to -1, and I cube equal to -1, means power of I is value of G, means elements of G, 1, I, -1 and -I, and therefore G has generated by, G is generated by I such that I raised to n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 1 up to 3. Okay, this is set of cyclic group. Okay, this is definition says that if here this is group with respect to multiplication. Okay, this is group with respect to multiplication. Here elements there exist if when G is cyclic group, if there exist A belongs to G, if there exist A belongs to G such that G equal to A raised to n, where n belongs to G, or G equal to which is G has generated by A. Okay, G is generated by A, then G is a cyclic group. This is definition of cyclic group. Okay, how to showing this is group? Choosing elements from G and powering of G, then value of these elements of power is elements of G, means if all elements of G is exist, if power of elements, if taken power of elements, then value is all elements of G exist. Okay, here I raised to 0 equal to 1, I raised to -1, I raised to 1 equal to I square equal to -1, and I cube equal to -1, means these are elements of G, means I is generated by I is generator of G. Okay, I is generator of G, or G is generated by I. Similarly here -I also is generated by generator of G, because I raised to 0 equal to 1, -I raised to 1 equal to -I, -I square equal to -1, and -I cube equal to here I. Okay, means -I and I are generator of G, or G is generated by I and -I. Okay, then G is a cyclic group. If G has generated, then G is cyclic group. Okay, this is definition of cyclic group. So remark. So here this set A raised to n means this is set of the form A square, A raised to -1, A raised to 0 equal to 1, A 1, A square up to so on. This is set. Okay, so remark. Remark, first remark, if G is a group with respect to multiplication, only remark says that here star by multiplication and addition. Okay, first remark, let G be a group, let G be a group with respect to multiplication, then G is called cyclic, then G equal to G is generated by A, where there exists element of the form A raised to n, where n belongs to Z. Okay, if G is a group with respect to multiplication, then choose elements of A, equal to choose elements of A such that power of A raised to n equal to their G elements of G. Okay, and this is first remark, and this is second remark. Let G be a group. Let G be a group with respect to addition. If any group is group with respect to addition, then G equal to generated by A, and elements of the, how to finding elements of this A, such that n into A, not power of A. Okay, n into A, where n belongs to set of integer Z. Okay, and this set is of the form of suppose that minus 2A minus A, here 0 into some integer, okay, 0, then A plus 2A and up to so on, n into A. If only here suppose that this is one example says that with respect to multiplication. So another example, suppose that another example with respect to addition. Okay, here another example of with respect to addition. Suppose here set of integer Z. Okay, set of integer is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. This is set of integer Z. Set of integer Z is group cyclic group or not with respect to addition. Okay, how to prove here? Z is a group with respect to addition. Okay, Z is a group with respect to addition. So how to prove here? Generated here 1 belongs to set of integer Z. If multiply by n means any number of 1, means 0 into 1 equal to 0 belongs to in this set, 1 into 1 equal to 1. Similarly 2 into 1, this is n and this is A. Okay, and this value are elements of Z. This value are elements of Z, means Z is generated by 1. Okay, similarly minus 1 is also here exist. Okay, A equal to minus 1 also exist in Z, such that n into minus 1 equal to set of integer Z. Okay, means only changing n, value of changing n equal to 0, then value is 0, n equal to 1, then minus 1, n equal to minus 1, then value is 1, means n belongs to set of integer Z. Okay, here elements of G means Z is generated by 1 and minus 1. Okay, not other elements. If suppose that choosing 2, okay, minus 2 here, if suppose choosing 2 belongs to Z, and then n into 2 equal to set of integer here exist or not. Okay, here but 0 into 2 equal to 0 exists, 1 into 2 equal to 2, but here one element is not exist, means 1 belongs to Z, but here 1 by 2 here not choosing, because 1 by 2 is not integer. Okay, there n is must be integer, and these elements are elements of the given group G. So this value are must be value of elements of Z. Okay, so here Z has only generator 1 and minus 1, because 1 and minus 1, this generator forms a set of Z, set of integer Z. So 1 and minus 1 are integer generator of Z, or Z is generated by 1 and -1. Okay, this remark, this says that remark. Okay, then next definition of let cyclic subgroup. So next definition is cyclic subgroup. Next definition cyclic subgroup. Okay, this is cyclic group. Definition of this is cyclic group. So next definition is cyclic subgroup. Okay, this is cyclic subgroup. Here binary operation whatever may be apply here star, but in this chapter, so binary operation here not given, or given here if group with respect to multiplication, then power of a raised to n, choose generator of the form a raised to n, and if group with respect to addition, then choose generator by n into a, then value of g equal to set of, this means generated by a, this set and g are equal. Okay, means this set n into a equal to n into a, where n belongs to z with respect to addition, and with respect to multiplication a raised to n, then g and generated by a, these sets are equal. So next definition cyclic subgroup. Okay, let g with respect to multiplication be a group, with respect to multiplication, or here also suppose that here star, g is a group with respect to star means addition or multiplication. Okay, let g be a group with respect to with binary operation star, and h is subgroup of g. Okay, this condition is very important. H is subgroup of G. Firstly, when H is a cyclic subgroup, if firstly H is a subgroup of G. Okay, then H is called cyclic subgroup of G. Then H is called cyclic subgroup of G. Then H is called cyclic subgroup of G if H equal to generated by A equal to a raised to n, where n belongs to set of integer z. Okay, this is definition of cyclic subgroup. Okay, how to prove here cyclic subgroup of G? Suppose that choose any example. Suppose given example says there cyclic subgroup, definition of cyclic subgroup. Okay, here a cyclic subgroup of this definition. Suppose G is any choosing element. Suppose that G equal to suppose that E, A, B, C. This is group. Okay, this is claim 4 group. Okay, claim 4 group. This is claim 4 group. This is group with respect to multiplication. Okay, and here condition is E square equal to A square equal to B square equal to C square equal to identity, and AB equal to C, BC equal to A, AC equal to B. Okay, there this is condition. But here subgroup of this set, G has subgroup. Okay, what is subgroup of this given claim for group? Subgroup of H1 equal to E into A. This is one subgroup. The second subgroup is E into B. Okay, then this subgroup is also seen in previous example. Okay, in previous videos this example is shows finding subgroup of V4. Okay, then E into B, E into C, this is subgroup of G. Okay, but this is only subgroup. This is cyclic subgroup or not? If how to proving this is a cyclic subgroup or not? Here H1 equal to, suppose choosing E into A, E and A, E into A not E and A, these two elements choosing containing H1. Okay, H1 is cyclic subgroup or not? If here A belongs to H1, A into A equal to A square, value is identity, okay, and sorry, A raised to 0 equal to, firstly powering A raised to n, using this definition, A raised to 0 value is identity, 1 means identity, okay, here, and A raised to 1 equal to E also belongs to this, A also belongs to this, again A square equal to identity, means H1 means if generated is set is also E into A, okay, generated by A, this set is E and A, and H1 is set E and A, therefore H1 is generated by A, okay. This condition, this concept is very simple. If generated by A, set of generated by A, and this set is equal, then H1 is generated by A, okay, means H1 is cyclic subgroup of given group G. Similarly, S2 is also generated by B, okay, S2 is also generated by B, S3 is also generated by C, because generated by C, this set generated by this set and S3 is this set are equal, so S3 equal to S3 generated by C, okay. This is cyclic definition of cyclic subgroup, okay. So then suppose that then examples, okay. Prove that G equal to, prove that G equal to 1 minus 1 I and minus I. This example is also seen by definition. Is cyclic group, and find its all generators, okay. This example is also in by explanation of definition of cyclic group, okay. Here let solution of this, let G equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I is a group with respect to multiplication, okay. This is also proven in first chapter. This is group with respect to multiplication, okay. So to show G is cyclic group, G is a cyclic group means to finding GIS generator, okay. So then how to finding here generators, okay. Let G is cyclic group, let G is cyclic group by using definition of cyclic group. Let G is cyclic group if G equal to generated by A such that, this is definition of cyclic group, okay. If G is cyclic group, then G is generated by A. So let A equal to 1 belongs to G, then which implies that 1 raised to 0 equal to 1 raised to 1 equal to 1 square equal to 1 cube also equal to 1, means up to so on. There powering of 1 is increasing or decreasing, so value must be 1, and therefore 1 is not generator of therefore G1 is not generator of G. Why this is not generator? Why this is not generator of G? Because 1 is not generated by G, because only one generator contains a element, only singleton 1, but G contains elements, 4 elements, 1 minus 1 I and minus I. So generator by 1 is not equal to G. If generator by 1 equal to G means given set G, then G is a cyclic group of G. Okay, this is mean of this statement. Okay, then A equal to -1 belongs to G, then -1 raised to 0 equal to 1, and suppose that here also written in the form, which implies that generator by 1 is not equal to G. Okay, -1 raised to 0 equal to 1, -1 raised to 1 equal to -1, -1 square equal to 1, -1 equal to -1, and up to so on. Though here value is repeated, 1 -1, 1 -1, 1 -1, so -1 is also, so generator by -1 is only containing elements 1 and -1, and this is not equal to G. So means given group G, so -1 is not generator of G. Okay, now A equal to next element for choosing here, A equal to, suppose that -I belongs to G. Okay, if A equal to I belongs to G, then I raised to 0 equal to 1, I raised to 1 equal to I square equal to -1, and I cube equal to -I. So generated by I is set of the form 1 -1 I minus I. Okay, and this is set also G. Therefore G is generated by I. Therefore I is generator of G. Okay, I is generated by E. Therefore G is cyclic group because G has generator. Okay, so another element for here, for next element, fourth element, A equal to -I belongs to G, then -I raised to 0 equal to 1, -I raised to 1 equal to -I, -I square equal to -I square equal to minus plus we get -1, and -I cube. -I cube means -1 into -1 into -I equal to I. Okay, -I cube equal to I means minus generated by -I equal to 1 -1 I and -I. These elements exist, and this is a group G. Okay, that is G has a generator -I, and therefore -I is generator of G, and therefore G is a cyclic group. Okay, therefore G is cyclic group. Question says that, question is, what is question of here? Your question is, prove that G is a cyclic group. Here G is cyclic group because G has a generator, and find its all generator. They have only two generators, I and -I. Okay, therefore I and -I is generator of G. Okay, this is two generator of G. This is first example. How to prove it, how to show this is group or not. Okay, also remark. So next remark, this remark is very important for problem solving to problem. Okay, remark. First remark, if order of G equal to order of A, order, definition of order is also seen in first chapter. Okay, by using this, order of G equal to order of A for some A belongs to G, then G is cyclic. Okay, order of G equal to order of A for some A belongs to G, then G is cyclic. then if order of G equal to order of A means one of the element of G, one of the elements of G, their order and order of G, okay, their order and order of G is is equal, then G is cyclic. Okay, in this example order of I, okay, in this example order of I raised to 4, if I raised to 4 equal to 1, okay, I raised to 4 equal to 1 means I is element of exist in this group. In this group I is I n minus I has order 4, okay, elements of an order, and order of group G is only contain 4 elements, therefore order of this group is also 4, and I n minus I has also order 4, and therefore by using this result G is a cyclic group. This is to proving this order of element and order of group is same, so G is a cyclic group. In here in this example G, order of G is 4 because G contains 4 elements, and to find the order of an element means I n minus I has order 4, okay, I n minus I has order 4, so order of G equal to order of I and order of minus I also, so G is a cyclic group, and then finding generator or not. Okay, so using this result or using this remark also says that G is cyclic or not. Okay, then also next remark is second remark, if G is generator, if G has a generator, if G has a generator, then G is cyclic, then G is cyclic. This is definition of cyclic group, and G is cyclic and vice versa. Means if to finding if G is cyclic, then G has generator, and G has generator, then G is cyclic. This is definition of cyclic group. Okay, then third remark is if G is generated by A, if G is generated by A such that order of G equal to n, such that order of G equal to n, then A raised to R, then A raised to R, okay, means generator of this element A raised to R is generator of G. If A raised to R is generator of E, if and only if GCD of order of G and this R, GCD of n and R is 1, means n and R are relatively prime. Okay, where R is power of generator of G, and n is order of G. Okay, where n is order of G. Okay, if A raised to R is generated, G is generated by A, and where also A raised to R is generator of G, if and only if order of G and A raised to R means this R order of G, these are relatively prime to each other. Okay, means n into R, n and R, GCD of n and R is 1. Okay, this is third remark. Then next fourth remark is if here when this generator when A raised to R is generator with respect to multiplication, if G is a group with respect to multiplication, then then use this remark. So then if G is a group with respect to addition, if G is a group with respect to with respect to addition and order of G equal to n, such that order of G equal to n, such that G is generated by A, such that G is generated by A, then RA is then RA is generator of G if and only n into R equal to n into R equal to GCD of n into R is 1. Okay, with respect to addition, with respect to multiplication, and with respect to addition. Okay, then last if G is generated by A, if G is generator, if G is generated by generated by A, and order of G equal to n, then A raised to R generates subgroup of G such that A raised to R is generated by such that order of A raised to R equal to order of G divided by GCD of n into R. This is suppose D. Okay, where D is divisor of, or GCD of D is divisor of n. Okay, in fact order of H equal to order of G divisor of D. Okay, this is A raised to R. A raised to R is subgroup. A raised to R is subgroup of G. Then order of A raised to R means this is subgroup. This is called H. Okay, or how to finding subgroup or order of subgroup. Okay, how to find the order of subgroup if order of G divides their divisor. Okay, if n is, suppose that order of G equal to 4. If order of G equal to 4, then their divisor is 2, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, this is order of 1, 2 or 4, which depend on H. Okay, means power of A raised to R. R is whatever R depends on R, means GCD of n into R. Okay, so this is fifth remark to use these solving problems. Okay, so next example, suppose that find one of the example for homework. So show that Z6 with respect to addition is cyclic group. How to showing this is group with respect to multiplication? Addition. Z6 is a group with respect to addition. So n into A, choosing elements A equal to elements of Z6 and multiply by n, means 0, 1, 2 up to so on. Then value is value of this generated is equal to elements of Z6. Then given Z6 is cyclic group. Okay, so